Hello dear students, the topic for today is need, storage and sources of water. Now children, we all know that water is the most important natural resource that is present on the earth. Water is found in lakes, rivers, ponds, right? So water is very much important for us. Why? This is because water has many uses. Water is used for drinking, it is used for cleaning utensils, it is used for washing clothes as well as for bathing. So water has so many uses because of which water is very important. Water is not only required by plants but it is also necessary for animals as well as for human beings. So water is necessary for plants, animals as well as human beings. We cannot live without water. Now, let us discuss some storage techniques by which we can store water at home. So, water is stored in earthen pots. You might have seen earthen pots kept in your home, right? Wherein you store water in these earthen pots, as well as we have water filters. Similarly, we can store water in jugs as well as in utensils. We can also store water in metallic bottle or plastic bottle. Also children, we can store water in buckets, and this water which is stored in buckets can be used for cleaning purpose, for washing purpose as well as for bathing purpose. Now, if we talk about villages, in every house there we have own well. This means that if you go to a village, every household there will be having its own well. So this is how you can see in villages storage of water is done. Now, what is the need for storing water first of all? Now, we know that we require water for so many different purposes, and obviously we can use water only when we are going to store water. Now, why is the need for us to store water or to save water? Saving water is very important because this water that is saved can be used in case of a disaster or in case of some emergency situation. Now, in case if the local water gets dirty, then we should have water, right? So, for that reason, we should always store water, we should save water. Also children, if there is a water cut in your locality and if you do not have any water stored in your house, then it becomes so difficult to carry out so many activities. So, remember that you store water because it is going to help you out during water cuts. Now, let's talk about the sources of water. So, the first source of water as we know will be rain, right? The second source of water is river, then we have ponds and well. Also children, dams are a source of water. But are they natural sources of water? No, dam is a man-made source of water. So now let us see whether you can answer this. So over here you need to fill in the blanks. Dash are the man-made sources of water. Your options are dams, rain, river. So the right answer will be dams. Excellent. The next one. Dash is a source of water. Your options are trees, mountains, river. So the right answer will be river. Excellent. River is a source of water. So this is all about need, storage and sources of water. That is all for today's session. I hope that you've understood whatever we have discussed in today's session. Thank you and happy learning.